Oh wow.
So now,
Let me get a close up of this.
there you go.
So these are going to go in the paint?
I just got them out of the paint.
Oh, out of the paint.
So-
Okay.
So it's
So this is going to be the base color, and these are going to be those crackles.
Gotcha.
yeah.
That's going to look good.
So it's going to be base coat, and then more crackles on the top.
All right.
All right.
Go, man, go.
Okay. So we got buckets to just.
Pottery man.
Brush is clean. No, brush is not clean.
You got to keep your equipment clean.
Here, is that brush? Yeah, wipe that off.
That off?
Wipe that off.
All right.
No, okay. We thought it was going to look cool. You're saying it's going to look amateurish. Got it.
No, I didn't. That should
Is
be
that gonna
good
be
enough.
all right?
Yeah,
that
okay.
should be good enough. Okay, you want to use this bottle green for the bottom half, right?
No.
No.
Let's go with this entire
Okay.
thing looking like that.
Okay. There's still some crumbs in there.
That's
but-
all right, but more on top would
Yeah,
be
well,
would be
here
really
you-
cool.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and everything will take 2 coats at least.
Make sure you're in your camera. This is why you got to do the reverse thing when you're doing something, because then you can see what you're filming.
Yeah.
Because at first I was like, why do they do that? And then after a while it's like, oh, that makes perfect sense. I'm the dummy.
I keep getting inside. I'll wipe that after I'm done, right?
Sorry, I got brownie crumbs all over your paint.
The black will more likely swallow the green than the other way around.
Oh, okay. It's a pigment war and black wins.
Usually, yes.
Well, it is the
Usually,
most.
yes.
Yeah. As white is the absence of color, black is the over coloring of color. Isn't that how it works? What are the things made out of? Oreos. We crushed up Oreos.
Some of them are a different color of glaze,
Oh.
and some of them are little bits of glass.
Mm.
This one here.
It's okay.
Picture.
Check out his manly chest.
This here is all the red drops I saved. Those are actually little
Oh.
shards of glass.
Oh, sweet.
And
They double as the.
I was going to give this one to Bill's friend, the Scoutmaster. but
Ron.
I haven't seen him for ages.
He'll be back with us soon.
But see the red at the top, supposed to look like blood or something?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
neat.
what those little red dots are.
Nice.
It was, with the runes and everything.
Right on. That's cool.
Is that looking good?
Yeah. Yeah, that'll be good for a first coat. Some of them need, sometimes you need 3 coats. These I fired and didn't like how it looked, so I put more glaze on top the second time.
They look, I mean, they're cool, but the paint, like you said, it looks like these would be on the set of cartoon characters made a real life movie. Like that would be part of their decorations in their house.
Anyway, those will look
Sorry.
entirely different once they're fired.
Oh, okay.
This will be red. But actually I mixed the red and the black.
Oh.
See?
Yeah.
So it wasn't dark enough. So I mixed it again, and this time instead of 3 red and 1 brown, I did 2 red and 2 brown.
2 brown.
So hopefully it'll look a little.
It's got an almost prickly pear appearance to it now. From Hobbiton. It's for the desert hobbits. I got to go to the ranch in the morning and help out, and then we can come back after that. I'll probably be home at about 11 or so. Because it's going to get too hot, and then it'll start at 6. Be a lot better. Don't forget to show your camera your progress.
Get that drip. Get that drip.
Drip.
There you go. Now, after we put on the second coat, then we'll pick up all these little things and you can put them where you want. Okay, so.
Let it dry for a minute or two so I can handle it again.
Yeah, and then you'll need to do this, have a cigarette, turn off your cameras.
All right.
We don't smoke cigarettes.
Thanks for watching.